It's important to maintain your Bose SoundControl hearing aids and regularly replace accessories. In this video, we'll help you understand when and how to replace the hearing aid cables. Before we begin, it's important to note that replacement hearing aid cables can be ordered through our partnership with Lexi Hearing. Visit lexihearing.com/Bose accessories to learn more. We recommend replacing the hearing aid cables every year. If the cables appear damaged, don't connect securely, or if you experience poor sound, the cables may need to be replaced sooner. Pick up the hearing aid and then grab the tip at the end of the cable close to the body. Firmly pull until it detaches from the hearing aid. You may have to pull harder than expected. Select the new cable with the same color speaker as the old cable. Align the end of the new cable with the port on the hearing aid body so the color marks line up. Insert the cable into the hearing aid until you hear or feel a click. Next, if you have new ear tips, select the size you want to use. You can also pull off the ear tip from the old cable and reuse it. Make sure the ear tip is secure before putting the hearing aids back on. Otherwise, the ear tip could become stuck in your ear canal. For additional support, visit our website, or to buy replacement accessories, visit Lexi Hearing.